Hey guys, what's up? It's Lip Code, and I am so excited for today's video. We are literally about to dive headfirst into fall, and you know what that means. A total makeup refresh. I feel like as soon as the weather gets even a little bit chilly, I'm like, okay, time to switch everything up. So today, we are going to get into the 5 viral lip combos for fall 2025. I've been seeing these looks literally all over my For You page, and I am obsessed. We're talking everything from cozy nudes to, like, super dramatic, vampy looks. It's gonna be so much fun to try these all out together. Honestly, I feel like a good lip combo can totally make or break a look. You know, it just pulls everything together. And I'm not kidding when I say you won't believe which shades are trending this season. Some of them are like, so unexpected, but in the best way possible. I did a ton of research, I've been testing things out, and I've narrowed it down to the absolute best of the best that you guys need to know about. We're going to go through each one step by step. I'll show you exactly how to do it, and we'll just have a little chat. So, grab your lip liners, your favorite glosses, and maybe a little pumpkin spice latte, because we are getting into it. I'm going to show you all the products I'm using, plus some dupes, because we love saving money. Let's go. Alright, so for our first combo, we are starting with literally the most perfect fall nude I have ever seen. It's called the Pumpkin Spice Nude, and I am not exaggerating when I say this has been everywhere. At first, I thought it was just another nude. But then I tried it. I totally get the hype now. It's a perfect warm tone, slightly orangey brown, not too light or too dark. It has a little hint of spice, hence the name. It just screams fall. It looks amazing on literally every skin tone. We're going to start by overlining a little with a warm brown liner. Focus on the Cupid's bow, then the center of the bottom lip, to give that pouty, full effect. Next, the star, a creamy, muted pumpkin lipstick. Pat it onto the center of the lips, then blend out with your finger. It creates a soft, diffused, everyday look. Finish with a tiny dot of clear gloss in the center. It makes lips look juicy and healthy. Okay, look at that. So pretty and effortless. I'm obsessed. This will be my go-to for the whole season. Okay, so next up, we are getting a little more dramatic, which you guys know I love. This look is so perfect for a night out, or when you just want to feel a little more glam, you know? It's giving mysterious. It's giving sophisticated. It's giving main character energy. Ombre lips can be super intimidating. Mine used to look like a hot mess. But this one is actually so easy once you know the technique. It's all about the blending. Start with a really deep, dark plum blackberry lip liner. Line your lips, then fill the outer corners a bit, shading inward. Now take a small fluffy eyeshadow brush and gently buff the edges toward the center. Total game changer. It creates a seamless gradient. Then, in the center, a bright raspberry magenta, just a little bit. Press your lips together a few times. See how it just melts together? Gorgeous. Velvety. Dimensional. It's so stunning. Alright, you guys, this next one is for my gloss lovers. It's called the Mocha Gloss and Liner. Ultimate 90s supermodel throwback with a 2025 twist. It's that perfect combo of defined but super juicy and plump. The key is the contrast, but here's the secret to make it pop. Most people grab a standard brown. Use a cool-toned, almost grayish brown. Trust me. A liner like MAC Stone or NYX Mauve creates a natural shadow, lip contouring. I'm going to slightly overline, then fill everything in with a sheer, milky, mocha-colored gloss. Not too brown, not too pink. The gloss melts the liner so it's not harsh, but you keep that definition. Perfect everyday, cool girl lip. Chic, put together, and it literally takes 2 seconds. Okay, we have to talk about a red lip for fall. Obviously. This is the Maple Red Matte. Not a classic blue red, not a bright cherry. A deep, rich, burnt red with brown and orange undertones. Just like a maple leaf in the middle of October. It's bold, sophisticated, and instantly powerful. This exact lip combo literally broke the internet a few weeks ago. A certain celebrity, I can't say her name, wore this shade at a huge event, and it went viral. It sold out everywhere. We're using a matching liner to define, super crisp and clean. Then one thin layer of the matte liquid lipstick. It's so pigmented. And that's it. No gloss, no ombre. Just pure, velvety, matte red perfection. Iconic. For our last combo, we're doing something a little different. This is the cinnamon rose stain. It's that I just ate a popsicle vibe, but make it fall. Dusty rose with a warm cinnamon brown hint, natural and pretty. Perfect for a cozy sweater or a minimal makeup day. Stains are low maintenance, no smudging or transfer all day. Here's a hack. Exfoliate your lips, then apply a very thin layer of a hydrating lip mask or thick balm. Let it sink in, then gently blot the excess. Smooth, hydrated canvas. Dab the stain in the center, quickly blend outward before it dries. Once set, spritz a hydrating facial mist. It rehydrates and locks it in for hours. It's the best trick ever. Soft, natural, effortless. And that is it, you guys. Those were the 5 viral lip combos for fall 2025. Which look was your favorite?